In today's video, I am going to teach you how to unprotect Excel sheet. Sometimes you protect a worksheet to prevent accidental edits, and later you need to make changes again. If you have access to the workbook and you know the sheet was protected, unprotecting it is a quick process. In this video, I will walk you through the exact steps to unprotect a sheet in Excel using the ribbon controls. As you follow along, make sure you are looking at the correct Worksheet tab at the bottom of the Excel window, because protection settings apply to the active sheet you are working on. First, click the Review tab on the ribbon. The ribbon is the top area of Excel that contains tabs such as Home, Insert, and Page Layout. The Review tab is where you will find tools related to checking, protecting, and managing permissions. When you click Review, the ribbon updates to show different options. Take a moment to confirm you are in the correct tab and that you can see a section labeled Protect. This is important because the next command is located in that specific group. Next, once you are on the Review tab, look for the Protect group on the ribbon, and then click Unprotect Sheet. This button typically appears near the other protection controls, such as Protect Sheet or Protect Workbook. When you click Unprotect Sheet, Excel will attempt to remove the protection from the currently selected worksheet. This is where the instruction matters most, because you need to choose the Unprotect option rather than the Protect option. If the sheet is protected, Excel will prompt you for what is required to remove that protection, such as a password if one was set. After you click Unprotect Sheet, Excel will display a confirmation dialog. Now click OK. The OK button tells Excel to proceed with unprotecting the sheet based on the information it needs. If Excel asks for additional input before it can remove protection, the dialog will guide you at that moment. Once the required step is completed and you confirm with OK, the protected worksheet changes state. You should notice that the restrictions are lifted, meaning you can edit cells or make changes that were previously blocked, depending on the protection settings that were originally applied. At this point, it is helpful to do a quick check to confirm everything worked. Try selecting a cell that you previously could not edit, and then attempt to type or make a small change. This simple verification step helps you confirm that the sheet is truly unprotected and that you are ready to continue your work normally. If Excel still restricts editing, you may be on a different sheet than you intended, or the sheet may still be protected for certain actions. That process is straightforward, and it is consistent across many versions of Excel, because the Review tab and the Unprotect Sheet command are standard features. As long as you are using the correct worksheet and you complete the required confirmation, you will be able to remove protection and regain full editing capability. And that covers everything you need to know. And that is all there is to it.